Very good morning. Welcome to my class. Now we'll see the program called 10. We are going to design, develop and implement a program to simulate the page replacement technique. In this page replacement technique, we need to see in this page replacement technique, this is the one which is going to use to replace the pages which is existed one. When new page comes in, then the existing page has to be replaced, and this page replacement technique has to decide which page needs to be replaced. So the different algorithms having a different ways to decide which page needs to be replaced with the existing one. So now we'll see the things, and here normally we have a more number of page calls in the OS when the running program is going to access to the memory page. That time so many page falls will happen, so that it's the main target is to reduce the page falls. So this is the header file stdio.h, and we are declaring the n comma f n of 100 p50 and then ijk. Page fault count itself it's 0, and I'm going to get the data. Like I'm going to enter the length of the page reference sequence, and I'm going to enter the page reference sequence. This is the length and this is the page reference sequence. There is a difference between the length and page. So I'm going to give that length, and I'm going to get an ampersand again, and I'm going to enter the page reference sequence, and by using the for loop statement I'm going to see the sequence and all, and I'm going to enter the number of frames. NF is for number of frames. I'm going to scan the number of frames, and I'm going to initialize the things, page false, how much, and how I'm going to hit the statement and all, and I'm going to break the statement return hit in get index in data. Then I'm going to display the pages which and all is having page false and which and all is having page false and all. So I'm using the case statements. So this is out, enter data by for optimal LRU, LFU and second chances exit. So this is the length, this is the page reference sequence, and this is the output. Now we'll see how to compile the things. So I'm going to open. So this is the coding which we have discussed now. So this is the number of frames and number of pages, and enter the page reference string and break statement. I'm using this temp variable to store the frames, and I'm going to see the condition if flag 3 equals to 0, and I'm going to use a maximum possible resources over here, and I'm going to save the temporary variable in the maximum variable. I'm going to assign the frames position of frames is equal to in the pages, and total page falls we can see here. So I'm going to compile this, and there is no error. I'm going to run the statement. So the same thing which is having I'm getting the enter the number of pages. So I'm going to use the things called like this. So this is how we need to execute the things. So we have to enter the length of page reference sequence, and we have to enter the page reference sequence, and we need to enter the number of frames and page replacement algorithms. If you enter data, then we can go for the whatever the existing pages is in the front of the queue, and it is ready for to get removed from that. And second chance, and we have exit option. So this is how we have to do. Thank you.